Hi guys, here at Blakedown of Crossing in Worcestershire with Will, Adam, Callow, Joe and Spike.
Yes, I decided to change my attitude. It's a lot better now. Oh, we're slow. Down. There we go. The time is now
11:26.
Saturday the 23rd of January 2015. This is for the
Kidderminster to Whitlock's End, whatever that was.
Blakedown of Crossing in Worcestershire. Will, Callow 5, Adam, Joe and Spike.
yeah. I hate this phone.
That's
I don't
nice.
actually hate it. It's just annoying.
Second time here.
You notice they put a new one not
Oh, yeah.
trespass on here.
Yeah, I didn't see that in your videos. Oh, it's actually nice to see you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Just
can do
because
it.
I did that, right, I'm going to do it again. Filming on your head.
Oh.
That alarm is really weird.
I know. Last time it was really fast, Will, because I watch your videos quite a lot.
Yeah, I know, it was like St Margaret's.
When I came here last time, I could hear it because I put my hand over the microphone as I usually did used to do.
Oh, don't tell me to start to come down with a cold again. I'm just recovered from one. I don't want another one.
I actually have no idea what time it is because my phone's really out of time.
Oh, it's something like past. It is 27 past. I can see on the station board.
27.
28.
This is for the
And we have
10
Joethorpe's looking in the wrong direction again.
Sierra 28 London Midland service from
Sierra.
to
Whitlock's.
Whitlock's End.
Whitlock's End, sorry.
3 car.
I said Whitelocks at Langley. Langley's not as loud as it is on video. It seems really loud.
342.
172, 342.
Whitlock's End.
Whitlock's End.
That's all on the 1106.
Oh, Will, one thing. Have you seen 172, 222? No, 222.
No, I haven't seen it.
Yeah, I think she was going to Kidderminster when I saw her at Langley Green. And up we go.
What's the white Stalker 211?
I'm close enough to the road.